Hello, my name is Della, and today we will be working with the inner edge crescent kick. The part that you'll be striking with in this kick is simply the inner part of your foot. So when you're doing it, remember to get into your guard. You'll basically be in a plain old back stance, so that shouldn't daunt you too much. And when you come forward, your foot tends to get fairly high up, so it's easy to lose balance. And that's why you probably shouldn't take your foot back. So when you do it, be sure to completely step through, because while it can be tempting to go back, at that point, you're just not following through either. And be sure to pull back your feet as well, because when you're striking, you don't want to be hitting with the tip of your toe, but you want to have the entire thing impact your target. All right, from here I will be calling in my assistant, Ms. Discipline. So when you're targeting this, your main target will essentially be somewhere between the lower leg and the knee. So when you're striking, just touch and push for now. And now we'll change directions so that you can see the other side. Guard up. Strike. And feel free to go as hard as you feel confident on. And from here, do strikes in a row. So you would strike once, and then your partner would step back, and then you would strike using the other foot. Again. That's it for the inner edge crescent kick.